Just in the queue for the boat, waiting to go to Fatcats for the very first race of the year with the 90s championship over in Fatcats in Doncaster, I think it is. We're all ready to go.
Yay!
Kids are in their jammies, waiting to get on the nighttime boat to Liverpool. Wife's driving.
Ready to rock.
Ready to rock. Driving the motor home. Because I've still got the broken leg, so I can't drive. Even though it's an automatic, I'm still not allowed to drive. You looking forward to it, wee man?
Yeah.
You looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sand? What are you doing, sand?
Stand up.
Stand up, and what else?
Throttle on.
Keep the throttle on, huh? And what's the most important thing?
Have fun.
Have fun. That's right. That's right. And get on this boat, good night's sleep, get up tomorrow, go and get some groceries and stuff, and then head down towards the track. Be a good crack. The wife's looking forward to driving across England, aren't you, love?
Can't wait.
Yep, can't wait.
Highlight of my week.
Uh-huh.
It's a road we're driving on.
Fatcats Motopark. Yep. It's definitely set off the road. Up a big massive long tarmac drive. You looking forward to this, Josh?
Yes.
Yeah. What about you, Karis? Looking forward to it?
Yep.
Yeah. Good fun. You looking forward to it, mummy?
Very much so, yes.
You did very well. First time driving the motorhome. 30 miles per hour the whole way from Liverpool to here.
Not true.
Well, folks, first race of the year at Fatcats Motopark in Doncaster, the MX90s Championship. Looking forward to it, wee man? Yeah. New kit and all on. Let me see your new kit. Who's that named after?
Chase Sexton.
Chase Sexton. Some crowd here for the opening race of the year. Grey skies. Hopefully the rain stays off. I think it is to stay off, like, but yeah, she's definitely flipping very, very busy. There's all the Northern Irish boys down there, parked down there. Some boys parked everywhere. Looking forward to get going. Yeah. Round 2 of the 90s Championship. Still not a bad day. No rain, bit overcast. There's the wife and the wee man going ahead here for race 1. Pretty good turnout. This is massive, absolutely massive. But yeah, it's good. Josh! Hello, mommy. Hello, Mimi. Ready to rock, kid?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ready to roll? Yeah? Yes, Papa! Tell me, Alberto, so how'd you do in that race? What'd you get? Fourth? Good going. Tough race.
Yeah.
Who were you battling with?
Reese Gibson.
Reese, and who was the other wee boy?
He was number 95, I don't know his
That's
name.
him with a mohawk on his head.
Yeah.
He did well, 4th place. You're not so cold now. You were shivering before you went out.
Yes.
You're warm now?
Yeah.
Oh, may look like a nice day here, but it's freezing cold. Getting stripped off. We get that bike washed.
You are.
Me? What do you
I'm not
mean
doing it.
me? I have a sore leg. So
we
do.
can.
But we can wash it, can't you? Well done, wee man. Well
Thanks.
done, kiddo. Well done.